Hi guys, my name's Romeo.
What's your name?
My name is Dewilla,
And today we'll be making a video about showing you guys this new cool Nerf gun that I got. My mom got me.
Any mine?
And it's very cool.
Any mine, guys?
No, it's mine actually.
No,
it's mine. No, it's mine. It's mine more. Okay, guys. Today, so we're gonna be opening it and then we're gonna be testing it out.
Yeah, today, guys, Yana said the chat.
Okay, so guys.
I'll cut.
So guys, we're gonna see which one's better, the Hyperfire. We put batteries in there, Hyperfire, or this gun. And this one comes with batteries too. They're both fast, and we're gonna see which one shoots like faster and like what shoots farther. Wait. Hyperfire Elite or Nerf Dinosqaud Rex Rampage. Let's see. Like and subscribe.
First, we're gonna test out which one's better to see which one we want and not want.
Well, we're still gonna keep them. It's just we're gonna see which one's better. So make sure you guys like and subscribe, and let's get into the video. Like and subscribe. So right now we're just cutting it. Oh my god. Oh.
You're about to break the gun before we get to try to
Right now.
use it.
Let me see.
Bro, you about
There we go. Okay, now we got the gun.
Let's get one more spot.
Oh yeah, we got yeah.
Right here.
One more spot.
Is there any more?
We'll see you guys when we do it. Okay. Bye.
Peace.
So guys, we took it out. Now let's see.
Let's get. Wait.
Whoa.
Whoa.
It looks cool, huh?
Another one.
Look at this. This is how it
Right
looks.
here, David.
This is how it looks.
One
Oh yeah, we'll use that. So look at guys. Let's see. We're gonna see which one is better. This one, the Dinosqaud, or the Hyperfire Elite. Like and subscribe. Let's see. So guys, it does come with. It needs to come with batteries. You see, you put the. Where do you put the batteries? Like right here. Well, that's where you put the bullets. But like the batteries, you gotta put them here. And so.
Right, guys, I'm gonna put this in here.
Okay, so let me do the batteries real quick. They both have batteries now. They both have batteries. Look at this one.
And then look at this.
This one, let's go. So they're both ready. We're gonna be shooting at that target right there.
Which one?
The little, yeah, the little stings. So you ready? I'll do Hyperfire. You can do Dinosqaud. Let's do Dinosqaud first. Ready?
Yeah.
Let's 2, 1, go. Sorry guys, it got jammed, but let's go. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. I think I saw the bullets. So let's see. Let's see if it's a jam or let's see if that's all the bullets.
One going there.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
It's not a jam.
Yeah, that's the real gun. Okay, now let's do the Hyperfire. So.
Wait, put them down, bullet.
It's okay. Let me just. Ready? Move around. I'm gonna shoot you.
I want you to shoot me.
Let's go. We got the Hyperfire Elite. Let's go. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, a jam.
Oh, jam? Our guns always get jammed. Because Roman puts so much bullets in there.
Well, yeah. It needs to have so much bullets.
No, it doesn't. It's only supposed to have like 14 or 13 bullets.
14 or 13.
Okay. Let's see if we got it. Let's get them out. We'll see you guys when we reload it. Okay, you guys ready? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Dang. What do you guys think was faster? This or this?
Of course, the Hyperfire.
The Hyperfire was pretty, since this one got a little bit jammed, this mag, we gotta use the Dino mag. But which one do you think was faster?
Of course, guys.
Dinosqaud or the Hyperfire Elite?
Of course, the Hyperfire Elite.
Yeah, I think the Hyperfire Elite was more faster, but this one's still cool. It has a nice dinosaur T-Rex design. It's still pretty cool. A little slow, but it's okay. So
It's not slow. Wait, actually,
Yeah.
I know how to do it fast now.
What?
I didn't really get it because I just started it, but now I get it. If you press it, the trigger the whole time, then that's
Now
when it
I'm
goes
not
fast.
gonna make my view like that.
okay, so
I can equal to be dead.
Oh my god, this is so cool, man.
I know.
At the end, it didn't.
We gotta clean up all this mess. We'll probably make a Nerf War video next after this video. Actually, we'll make a Nerf War right now. You wanna make a Nerf War right now?
Oh, heck yeah.
Okay, let's do it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. So guys, right now we're making a Nerf battle video with both of these guns right here. Lift them up.
Hi, guys. Shake.
Romeo is using my glasses. And I'm using my baseball glasses right now. So
I have my
Yeah.
glasses too, but someone moved them.
okay, put them back on, and let's do this. We're having a Nerf battle. I'm too tall. I'm getting too tall now. Look, I can't even see the camera. So let's do this. Ready?
So,
I'm gonna be behind the
Give me
camera.
some tea.
We'll give you some right now.
No,
Okay, ready?
hungry.
Ready? Ready, Romeo?
Okay, guys.
Okay, you go right there. In the middle. Ready? Set.
Go.
Go. I need reload. I think I should have won round 1. Let's see replay. We're gonna see replay real quick, okay?
Hi, guys. Today I ate the well.
Guys, I checked the replay and I won round 1. So, Romeo, I won round 1. We're doing 3 rounds.
Cause you're scared that you were gonna get shot in the face, so you're like this. You were so scared that you were gonna get shot that you're like this.
And then
You're being like you're a spy. Like you're being like you're a spy. You didn't come out like me, like a man, and you're on like this.
yeah, because I'm protecting myself, not just like you, not protecting yourself. So,
I'm being a man. I'm gonna.
guys, I won round 1. So, let's go on to round 2. Let's do this. Let's do this.
I'm gonna go on this spot now, alright?
Okay, guys, round 2. I won round 1, so I got 1 point. We're going all the way to round 3. So, I'm gonna go on your side. We're switching spots now. I'm gonna be over here. I'm gonna have this chair with me so I can protect myself. So let's do this.
I'm sitting down there.
Well, there's other chairs over here, so I'm gonna use this one. So you ready?
Okay, and I'm sitting down like that.
That's right. You ready? Ready, Romeo? 3, 2, 1, go. Wait. My gun not shooting. Real quick. Yeah. I'm not jamming. Ready? Set, go. Come on, Romeo. Don't be scared. You reloading your gun?
Yeah.
Okay, I was reloading his gun. I'll put on my glasses.
You almost
Stay
shoot
safe.
me. You almost shoot me.
I'm sorry. Let's see if Romeo comes out. Let's see, Romeo, come on. Come out. Oh, you backed away. You backed away. I won round 2.
No, I won round 2.
We'll check replay.
No, I should win because you, and round, because right now, you're like this, and then you're closing your eyes. I saw you. I should have won. Guys, I won round 2, okay?
We'll see.
No,
Let's check
no,
replay.
I won round 2.
Let's check
I won
replay.
round 2.
Guys, Romeo just won round 2. We saw the replay. Me and Romeo, he went over there. He went to the room. So, he won round 2. I won round 1. And so we're doing last round, round 3, final round. Let's see who wins. You ready, Romeo?
Why
ready?
Mommy stuck on your hand?
Yes.
Okay, you ready? Reload your guns and let's go round 3. Final. Whoever wins this wins it all. And let's do this. Ready? Let's do this.
Open a little pallet.
Look at guys, I made a big old upgrade with a scope. I got a scope in it. Look how sick that is. So you ready, Romeo, for round 3, final 1? You ready? 3, 2.
Wait.
What?
My glasses.
Get your glasses. Let's put glasses on. 'Cause this is gonna be wild. Make sure before we get into this round 3, like and
I
subscribe.
don't know why I take off my glasses.
Yeah. Make sure you guys like and subscribe before we get into round 3. This is gonna be so awesome. So let's get into it. I'm gonna win. Who do you think is gonna win? I think me. And make sure you guys go check out our TikTok, Jaden and Romeo, no spaces, or check out Jaden and Romeo 1, no spaces, no capitals,
I don't have no.
but for both of them. Okay, you ready? Set, go!
Oh.
I'm being extra safe with this one. Let me see where Romeo. I can see him through the camera. I can see him through the camera.
Hey, that's not fair.
Come on, Romeo.
That's not fair.
Come on.
That's so not fair. That's not fair, man.
I can see you through the camera.
You're gonna beat me already. Guys, tell him.
Whoa, peek out. Come on.
Hey!
How? Tell me.
No, look, I was shooting you, and then you went like this. And that wasn't fair, because you had that camera. Cheater.
You could have saw what so close that you could see me.
Yeah, but
It was like right here. You could have saw me right there.
yeah, but I was right over here. I couldn't even see it that much. You're saying it's not fair. You're saying I bet you.
How about we just say this is a tie?
No, I should won that one because you're.
Yeah, but I won round 1 and you won round 2, so it should be a tie.
I
So
won round 1 and I won round 2, and then I won and then I won this one. So it's 2-1. So I should win.
how you see 1 and 3?
Cause you were cheating. Cause you didn't put your face out. You could just look at the camera and then you just need to put your gun out. Like it's not fair. Then I need to put my whole body out to shoot you and look where you're at.
I don't know, guys. Comment down below who won. Comment down below who won, or go type in our TikTok. Comment down who won.
And then I was right here.
I'll put a video.
And I was shooting you, and then you were scared. Okay, so I should have won that. Okay.
How about we let the fans decide? Okay. How about we just let?
You're being a cheater. You were looking.
He just dropped my glasses, guys. Romeo.
What? You're cheating.
How about we just let the fans
You're
decide who
literally
won?
cheating.
No, you don't know. You don't know what the fans are
I
saying.
know,
They probably think that you won or that I won. We don't know. So
I bet I would have won, Danny, because look, you were even cheating, because look, you didn't even have to put your face out and look at me.
how about we do a fun challenge that the fans decide who wins, just like Royalty Family.
Yeah, I know who won.
I saw who won.
Who won? Let's see. Our sister decides. Whoever she says wins it all. Okay, guys.
Me, because I played toys with you. I played toys with you. Yes.
No, it doesn't
I
matter
played-
about toys.
I
It matters
played with
who
you
won
earlier.
fair and square. Who won fair and
I
square.
played toys with you earlier.
So no, it doesn't mean about toys. It just means about the Nerf gun battle. Who won fair and square? Let's see. Who won?
Me, friends, because he was cheating. Because he didn't need to put his face out
Who
or
won?
anything.
Who won? Come on. Yeah.
I played toys
Hurry
with
up.
you.
Who won?
Ian.
Wait.
Mister.
He pick. Hurry up, princess. The phone is about to die.
JJ.
Let's go! I won.
What?
Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.